Large diameter pipe can be difficult to grip, making some installations and service jobs a challenge for one person. Now there's a solution, the rigid strap-lock pipe handle. It serves as an extra set of hands on the job, giving you a rock-solid grip on plastic pipe from 3 to 8 inches, even in cold and wet conditions. The strap lock not only adds confidence to a job, it's also versatile. The strap quickly adjusts to accommodate different pipe sizes. It can be applied to pipe as well as fittings. And when the job is especially complex, you can use more than one to pull pipes together. Gluing large diameter pipe requires speed and leverage to ensure the joint doesn't set in the wrong position. There are no do-overs. The rigid strap-lock pipe handle gives you a huge advantage in leverage, significantly extending the time you have before a joint sets up, helping prevent expensive rework on large diameter installations. The pipe handle can be used in a wide range of applications and environments, making you more efficient and giving you added confidence in any plastic pipe application.